Talks, Day 8. Let's learn how do we use WH question, where do we use it, 50% answer question. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hamid Talash Talks, Day 8. In the 30 days course, Nan per Day 8 lesson bandikar ko. In today's lesson, we have WH questions for you. What are WH questions and how does it function? For some people, it's an easy topic. The chada para badir easy topic we. But for many students, it's a bit confusing. Let's learn how do we use WH question, where do we use it, and how should we properly answer it. Dear all, if you want to know about WH questions, so WH questions are also called information question. First thing that when someone is going to ask about information from you, obviously that person is gonna ask in WH question from you. The second thing is WH questions are also called 50% answer question. I mean, daba 50% answer we. What is your favorite book? Your favorite book. My favorite book is The Secret. What is your most favorite book? My most favorite book is Holy Quran, for example. Now, usdana chikamda your most favorite, but my most favorite, they change, 50% answer question. Where is your home? My home is in Peshawar. My home is in Islamabad. My home is in Dubai. My home is in Qatar, etc. So we call it information question, or we call it what? 50% answer question. Answer 50% per question ki danana protui. Third thing that you need to know is we also call it open-ended question. What is open-ended question? It means the person is talking about WH question. If a person is talking about the 50% answer question, it means they talk about WH question. If person is asking you in WH question about something, it means that person is in need of information, so you need to give complete information. Now in WH question, we have the list of it. First one, what, which is used for things and object. What is this? This is a pen. What is that? That is a watch. Like this, whenever we ask for things and object, we use what. When we ask for location or place, we use where. Where is your home? Where is Ali? When we are asking for reason, she's reason taposko, wajah taposko. Then we are asking in WH question why. Why are you here? Why do you want to study computer, not medical? You need to give reason. I want to study medical because I want to see myself as a doctor. I don't want to study computer because I'm not interested in that. Now, because saraba the why question, usually answer ki why, because is used, because it's a class which is used to describe reason. Besides that, we are using who for person. Who is Ali? Who is Imran Khan? He was the ex-prime minister and a prime leader of Pakistan. Who is asked for the person, which is another WH question that we are going to ask for preferences, choices. Which color do you like? Red or blue? I like blue color. And like that, you are going to know about other WH questions like how. It is not called WH question, it is HW question, but usually we are bringing it in the category of WH question. Why? Because we want to know that it gives information too. How you got here, for the condition, form. We are going for the manner. We are going to use how. How you get there. आप यहाँ पर कैसे पहुँचे? दल तसंगरा हो रहा है. Or you are going to say that, how are you? How do you study? That is how you are going to describe the different WH questions. And then we are going to have how many, then we have how much. Clear? Besides that, how is also used with how often. So let's go to the specific practice of the question. There is a picture. I'm going to describe each question there in detail to you. The first one is, they are all who. See, they're asking about person and object. Who is the woman? She is a lady doctor? Or who are you phoning? I am calling, I'm phoning my friend. Where is used for the place or position. Where do you live? I live in XYZ. Where are my boots? They are in the specific place you are going to mention. They are in a room, and they're in the room. They are under the table. They are under the bed, etc. When you ask for time or occasion, when can I see you? Or when did you last see him? Besides that, you can ask why is used for reason, as I mentioned. Why were you late? Why was he late? He was late because he was in the cinema hall. He was late because he was taking his class. Depends. What is used for object? Once again, you see here, what is the matter? Or what time is it? How is used for condition or asking for the way, manner, or form? How does it work? It works well. For example, you have headache and you are asking your doctor, how does this medicine work? It works very well. Like this, we are going to know about which. It describes choices or preferences. Which is better exercise, swimming or tennis? Or then you're saying, I prefer tennis. I don't prefer swimming. Depend on you. How are you going to describe that? Your choice. Or then you are going to say that which of the application has got the job? Like this, you applicants has got the job. Like this, you are going to ask for the preferences in that. How many? This other part is asking about quantity, or when you are going to ask about countable nouns. How many students are in the class? Class ke suno students thi. There are many students in the class. There are some students in the class. There are 5 students in the class, etc. How much? How much? It is used for what? Non-countable noun. How much noise is here? There is too much noise. How much traffic is in the city? There is too much traffic in the city. The next one is how often. When you are going to ask about the frequency, how often do you go to gym? I usually go to gym. How often do you watch movies? I don't watch movies a lot. I hope this lesson is now clear to you and you don't have any confusion in that. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment box. I would like to answer you there. Keep watching and following Hamid Talash Talks. You will learn more. Stay blessed and stay happy.